Henri Bergson, Un Vitale, A Philosophy of Creativity and Life's Impetus. Introduction. In an era when Darwinian natural selection and mechanistic biology held sway, that evolution and creativity arise not merely from blind survival pressures or genetic accident, but from an irreducible jugan vital, a vital impetus or life force. Reactions or adaptationist algorithm, Bergson invited us to see the flourishing of life as driven by a dynamic creative energy at every scale, from the sprouting of plants to the emergence of human consciousness. The roots of one vital. Bergson first elaborated the concept in his 1907 work Evolution, Creative Evolution. He observed that Darwin's theory explained how species change, but left unanswered why living matter displays such unceasing novelty and complexity to Bergson. Mere variation and selection could not account for the unpredictable leaps, such as the advent of consciousness or the blossoming of art. He therefore posited one vital as an inner drive, pushing organisms toward ever greater degrees of freedom, creativity. Beyond mechanism, one vital versus reductionism. Classical biology treats living systems as exceptionally intricate machines. Genes code, proteins fold. Bergson challenged this reductionism. If we view life solely through the lens of mechanism, we risk missing its fundamental creativity. Un vital is not a mystical aura, but a philosophical principle. Life inherently strives. It's a force that bends matter toward novel forms, continually opening new possibilities. Life matter in motion. Natural selection. Bergsonian view. Life matter animated by a creative impulse. Un vital and the experience of creativity. For Bergson, one vital finds its most vivid expression in human creativity, art, invention, and consciousness itself. When an artist breaks from convention or a scientist formulates a novel hypothesis. In this light, creativity is not an accidental byproduct of brain chemistry, but the clearest human manifestation of the life force. A direct flash of one vital, opening uncharted, expressive territory, scientific breakthroughs, unpredictable conceptual leaps, reflecting life's inventive call for force. Un vital in modern perspective, though Bergson's terminology fell out of favor with the rise of molecular biology and the modern synthesis. Complex behaviors emerge in ways not predictable from parts alone, resonant with Bergson's emphasis on irreducibility, biosemiotics, and autopoiesis. Living systems self-create meaning and structure, hinting at an intrinsic purposive pull. Creativity research studies on innovation stress, non-algorithmic, spontaneous insights, mirroring the unpredictable character of un vital. 5 implications for how we live. Un vital carries practical lesson beyond academic debate. If life's essence is creative thrust, then 1. Embrace novelty. Seek experiences that stretch your capacities rather than merely optimize routine. 2. Cultivate spontaneity. Allow moments of unplanned innovation, whether in art, work, or play. 3. Honor indeterminacy. Recognize that not all outcomes can be calculated. Some of life's richest rewards come from the unpredictable. By aligning our personal lives with the creative impulse Bergson identified. Henri Bergson, Un Vital, reminds us that life is more than a blind accumulation of tiny adaptive tweaks. In challenging reductionist paradigms, his philosophy invites a renewed appreciation for the spontaneity at the heart of biology. Emergent creativity, or simply the wonder of being, Bergson